Oh my gosh, I've got to show you guys something. So Danny and I, are launching our new product called the AR Marketing Playbook. It is going to teach you how to use ChatGPT. I am in total in love with this technology. Guys, this is going to change your world. It's going to save you so much brain energy. Jamie says, before ChatGPT came along, I was that. Because he's so creative and I'm so mathematical. Sometimes when you just don't have that creative edge and you work with the other side of your brain, which it's right or left, I don't even know. This software or this technology is going to just change your world. So I'm happy to present this to you. It's super cheap. I think it's like $17. I would love to have you on our team, and then hit us up in a reply in an email if you want to just jump in and we could do a workshop together. It would be so much fun. I miss you guys so much. I miss all of you guys out there in email land, and I'd love to reconnect and do some chat GPT AI, we could use like a Skype group or a workshop or something like that and see how many people can make up the coolest things. We can write books, articles, so many cool things. All right. So check it out. And then when you get into the members area, we also have another product on Canva, which is going to help you make like the photos and the little graphics to go with your articles that you can put on Medium. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. So check it out. Email me back. Say hello. Tell me how you're doing and keep in touch. All right. Bye, guys.